Did you know that nearly 70% of Americans are living paycheck to paycheck, with little to no savings or investments to fall back on? This staggering statistic highlights the importance of building a solid financial foundation, and one key strategy for achieving this is through generating passive income. I've been on a mission to create a comprehensive passive income portfolio, and today I'm excited to share my complete passive income report for month 6. Over the past 6 months, I've been working diligently to set up a diverse range of passive income streams, from high-yield savings accounts to dividend-paying stocks and real estate investment trusts. My goal is to provide a transparent and realistic look at what it takes to build a substantial passive income portfolio, and I'm committed to sharing my progress with you every step of the way. My promise to you is that by the end of this video, you'll have a clear understanding of the different passive income streams I've established, the returns I've generated, and the challenges I've faced along the way. Whether you're just starting out on your financial journey or you're looking to optimize your existing investment portfolio, my hope is that my experience will provide you with valuable insights and inspiration to achieve your own financial goals. Now, let's dive into the details of my passive income report for month 6. 1. High-yield savings account. I've been using a high-yield savings account from Ally Bank, which offers an impressive 4.75% APY with no minimum balance requirement. As of month 6, I've earned a total of $1,200 in interest, which is a significant increase from the $900 I earned in the previous month. 2. Dividend-paying stocks. I've invested in a range of dividend-paying stocks, including Johnson & Johnson, Procter & Gamble, and Coca-Cola. These stocks have provided a relatively stable source of passive income, with an average dividend yield of 3.5%. As of month 6, I've earned a total of $2,500 in dividend income, which is a 10% increase from the previous month. One thing to keep in mind when investing in dividend-paying stocks is the importance of diversification, as well as the need to monitor and adjust your portfolio over time to ensure it remains aligned with your financial goals. 3. Real estate investment trusts. I've also invested in a range of real estate investment trusts, or REITs, which provide a way to generate passive income through real estate without directly owning physical properties. My REIT portfolio includes companies like Realty Income and National Retail Properties, and has generated an average return of 8% over the past 6 months. As of month 6, I've earned a total of $4,000 in rental income from my REIT portfolio, which is a significant increase from the $3,000 I earned in the previous month. 4. Peer-to-peer lending. Another passive income stream I've established is through peer-to-peer lending, using platforms like Lending Club and Prosper. These platforms allow me to lend money to individuals and small businesses, earning interest on my investment in the process. As of month 6, I've earned a total of $1,500 in interest from my peer-to-peer lending portfolio, which is a 5% increase from the previous month. One thing to keep in mind when investing in peer-to-peer lending is the importance of carefully evaluating the creditworthiness of borrowers, as well as the need to diversify your portfolio to minimize risk. 5. Affiliate marketing. I've also been experimenting with affiliate marketing, using platforms like Amazon Associates and ShareASale to promote products and earn a commission on sales. As of month 6, I've earned a total of $2,000 in affiliate income, which is a 20% increase from the previous month. One thing to keep in mind when getting started with affiliate marketing is the importance of creating high-quality content that resonates with your audience, as well as the need to comply with Federal Trade Commission guidelines on affiliate marketing disclosures. 6. Renting out a spare room on Airbnb. Another passive income stream I've established is by renting out a spare room in my home on Airbnb. As of month 6, I've earned a total of $1,800 in rental income from Airbnb, which is a 10% increase from the previous month. One thing to keep in mind when renting out a spare room on Airbnb is the importance of providing excellent customer service, as well as the need to comply with local regulations and ordinances governing short-term rentals. 7. Creating and selling an online course. I've also been working on creating and selling an online course on personal finance, using platforms like Udemy and Teachable. As of month 6, I've earned a total of $3,000 in course sales, which is a 25% increase from the previous month. One thing to keep in mind when creating and selling an online course is the importance of providing high-quality content that meets the needs of your target audience, as well as the need to effectively market and promote your course to potential buyers. 8. Investing in a Roth IRA. Finally, I've been investing in a Roth IRA, which provides a tax-advantaged way to save for retirement. As of month 6, I've contributed a total of $5,000 to my Roth IRA and have earned an average return of 6% over the past 6 months. In conclusion, my passive income report for month 6 shows a total of $15,000 in passive income earned, which is a 15% increase from the previous month. I'm excited to continue building and optimizing my passive income portfolio, and I'm committed to sharing my progress with you every step of the way. If you're interested in learning more about building a passive income portfolio, I invite you to subscribe to my channel, where I'll be sharing regular updates and insights on my journey to financial freedom. You can also find a link to my channel in the description below, where you can sign up for exclusive content and updates. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to connecting with you in the next video.